Welcome to the channel. So it's been a while since I made a video, and I just want to update you guys on everything that's been going on and where I have been. So a lot of things have happened over the last 2 weeks or so. It's been about 2 weeks since I made a video, but check it out, guys. New privacy fence and gate put up. As you can see, we got a real nice 6-foot gate installed by a company called Kimberly Fence. Brand new latch here and everything. It's real nice. But yeah, it worked out good. So as you see, the new privacy gate all the way down. So the issue with the dogs is now solved, and we shouldn't have any more problems. Hopefully there's no issues with the new gate. Hopefully the dogs don't tear it up or anything like that. But it turned out real nice. It's actually a T-stud, or a forget what they call these studs, but they just go in the ground here, and they just drive these studs. I don't know if you can see back there. They're just driven into the ground, and then that holds it up. Pretty cool. Yeah, it looks good. But actually, when we got the fence installed, me and the neighbor got into a huge argument because there was a tree growing on the fence line, and in order for us to put up the fence, we had to cut this tree back. I put a picture of the tree up so you can see how the tree looked and what we cut, and we had to cut it off the fence so we could put the new fence up. And I tried to knock on the guy's door, but he wasn't home, so I cut the tree branch down. He came home, and when he got home, he made a real big deal about the tree. It was already cut. The tree is a tree he told me that I could cut, and it was already cut down pretty much. We just had to cut it back a little more in order to put in the new fence. And he comes at me and goes, "Oh, you trespassed on my property, and don't come over here ever again. I'm calling the police on you," and all this stuff. And the reason he was upset is because we had to call animal control on him multiple times because his dogs were constantly trespassing into my yard and causing a safety concern. So he comes at me, and I explained to him that your stuff growing on your property line is over 6 feet high, which is a violation of the city, and that it was on the property line, and you told me I could cut it down. And he's just like, "You come over here again, I'm calling the police." So that turned into a big argument. We were kind of going that back and forth, and then Donna came outside, and he tried to get Donna against me, and that didn't work. So eventually he apologized and said, "Thank you for the fence." Pretty much the guy got a free fence out of the deal. But yeah, that happened. So what else is new? Got the fence. All the trucks are pretty much washed up. But check this out. We've been working on the basement. If you've been following the channel, you know the basement has been an ongoing project. Let's take a look at it, and see how it looks as of right now. So we're doing a real light remodel down here, and here we go. So basically what I'm doing is I've just stripped everything out of here, and instead of drywalling all of the walls, I'm just painting the concrete with the Drylok paint, and they actually let you color the Drylok. It's like a platinum color, and it looks pretty good. It's like a light gray. It's a real light gray. It looks real nice and clean, and we're just painting the walls. We're building this wall here to separate everything. So now everything's going to be separated, and we framed it out, put in some outlets down there, and that's pretty much it. Real straightforward. We've had to fix so much stuff was done crazy by the previous homeowner. Like, he had a big gaping hole in the main feed here for the HVAC, so we had to plug this up with new steel. That's a brand new plate. This is just all open. I'm surprised we had any heat at all. And then had to put in a new vent here. This was also just left open from the previous homeowner. So this is now a vent, so that there'll be some kind of airflow in here, heat, whatever. But yeah, we're just doing a real basic, simple remodel where the walls, the concrete walls, are going to be painted. Instead of covering them up and trying to put in insulation and all that stuff, that could cause a future mold issue. We're just painting these walls with Drylok. It's turning out really nice. And yeah, it is working out real good. So that's what we're doing, covering up the walls, sealing everything up. Still got some stuff to fix. This HVAC thing powers the kitchen that was disconnected. So yeah, I'll show you guys the other side of the wall that we built. This is the unfinished area here. If I can get over this. This is going to be the unfinished area. So this is how the framing looks. This was all built out, built up and built out. This is pretty much, we had to actually frame out everything. But yeah, that's just an update. I haven't been able to make a video in the last couple of weeks, man. I've just been tired, busy. I've been plowing snow. I've been doing a lot of stuff and just haven't had time to. And then working on this basement, I haven't had time to make a video. So I'm going to try to keep them coming a little bit more, get some truck content out there. But, this is what I've been up to. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. And comment below. Thanks a lot. Bye.